Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a link for a video to share to your friends or family. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser. I have Chrome. And for this, we're going to use the most easiest and free services out there, which is going to be Google or G Drive, right? You can use other platforms like, for example, Mediafire, but this is most well known and almost everybody is familiar with G Drive, right? So go ahead, click on this icon, access your drive. Then over here, you can click on this icon, new file upload. Then you can choose any video file on your PC. For example, I have one over here. Double click on it. It will automatically upload the file for you. Over here, this is going to be the progress. Once complete, you can refresh your browser and see how it went. So for example, this, you can click on it and click this icon over here to reveal more options in which you can grab the link. So here, change restricted to anyone with the link. Then you could just easily copy the link and share this to your friends and family. All right, so going to hit enter and they should now be able to access the video file. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.